Hi guys, it's me Angela today. Please like and subscribe, and if you're done watching the video, and consider doing a like and subscribe. So today we're gonna do something actually. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but it's something considered. Ruby and Bunny, we just come alive. We shine free bright and we always surround. Ruby and Bunny. Mama, tubig, tubig. I need to stop the video first, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So there, I'm back. I don't really know what we're gonna do. Do you think we're gonna do this? Okay, then let's play it if you want, guys. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is scary. Free teaser mode. Okay. I'm done in chapter 1. I don't know what to do now because I don't have like the other one. So anyways, I guess I'm gonna do the spider prank. Shark to the bay. I already know where's the spider, and I know it's like dangerous and stuff. So I'll check the shed if there's something, if there's gloves in the shelf. There's no gloves in the shelf. What's Miss Cheese doing? Wait. I'll do the hands first. I'll go outside first. Find the gloves to pick up the spider. The gloves are located in workshop shop room. Thank God Misty is going downstairs. Or should I watch this? Oh my goodness, she's upstairs. There she's upstairs. Go downstairs, please. Torture room. Where's the workshop? Gym?
Ulasan mo dyan, oh! Ulasan mo, ulasan mo, babe. Yun na, na-waste mo na.
You can't get me.
Ulasan mo yun.
Yeah, whatever.
Ulasan mo, pati yung ito pa. Wala, Kapot ka pa tinapay. Asan mo pati sa sopa? Asan mo pati? Magalaw doon sa kanya kapatid ko. May alam ko kapatid ko pa.
Please go downstairs. Because I don't like you being here.
Magkalat ko pulatan mo ba? Sige, pulatan mo.
Finally. Oh, great. Misty's going upstairs. Misty, why can't I go there? Alright guys. I'll do another thingy whatever. Cause I don't really like this. So let's do it someday. That's easy. Where are you gonna sit? Hey! Where are you gonna sit? Can we just buy one? The wood saw in the shed. I already got a wood saw. I waste my money. I'm a waster money. Jump into the glasses cause I can do something and not everything that I can. Yeah. Oh, Misty, thank you, Misty. I can't even do this. Well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video until the end. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! Mwah.